Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best FINRA Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, is a self-regulatory organization that is part of an elite list of financial regulators in the United States, which oversees the proper code of conduct for companies dealing in equities, futures, bonds, and options trading. Traders who are searching for some of the best FINRA Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best FINRA Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 US is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap 3 accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a send account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. At number 2 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online Forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of Forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic Forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of Forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FINRA Forex brokers, we have TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. And those are some of the top 5 best FINRA Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know Which online broker is your personal favorite? And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.